All right. Good morning. It is Tuesday, May the 30th, 2023. We hope you had a nice weekend. Joined this morning by Ross Chawansky, in our office, better known as Roscoe. Ross has been with our firm now for a little over 3 years. Just plays a huge role in everything we do here. Ross is currently kind of right in the midst of working through the Certified Financial Planner designation. So working on his CFP, making really good progress there. Yeah, so hopefully you have one of those in the coming year or so. But helps us tremendously on the operations side. So we thought we'd have Roscoe jump in here today. As I mentioned, today's Tuesday, yesterday being a Memorial Day. And we had a really nice client appreciation event.
Yeah.
That we really enjoyed.
Yeah, we had a great time at James Island County Park. So for those of you who came out with your family, friends, dogs, grandkids, thank you. And hope you guys enjoyed the pizza from Coastal Crust. Did a great job for the second year here.
Yeah, really
I
good.
thought.
I ate too much. But
Yeah, it went down pretty easy.
and the cannolis too at the end were.
Yeah, that was a good touch this year. So thank you to Coastal Crust if you're
Yeah,
watching
absolutely.
here.
Absolutely. You want to touch on spring follow-up items?
Yes, so in the coming weeks here, keep an eye on your emails from the client email at Oceanside. We'll be sending out any pending items, funding of accounts, new accounts, any kind of documents from our spring reviews. So again, keep using the client portal as well to update documents. We're watching those, tracking those, and then updating your list of your to-dos on your portal. So keep a heads up and continue to keep, again, asking questions and helping us get through those with you guys.
Yeah, it's been great. Made a lot of good progress already.
Yeah.
The other, just quick housekeeping item, a lot of the custodians mailing out, standing letters of authorization, about accounts that are linked, as well as we mentioned in previous videos, that form 5498 that shows IRA contributions, Roth conversions, things like that. I know TD Ameritrade at my house, I had like 10 envelopes show up, and some clients were kind of joking about it as well. But that is normal. So that's don't be surprised if you see a lot of mail from some of the custodians.
Yeah. And then if you have questions about forms for tax purposes, just call us or email us. I know some clients have scrubbing around trying to find those online, and just call us.
Yep.
We'll help you get those.
A lot of conversation yesterday about the debt ceiling.
That was the big question that we were getting at the picnic. So what's your take on that? What are you seeing?
Yeah, so again, we don't want to get in too much detail until it's completely finalized, right? So we'll certainly touch on it a little bit more in the future weeks here, but it does seem like at least the big picture items, the GOP and President Biden's team, they've agreed in principle to the basics. Okay, now it's got to go through Congress and get approved and things. All along, this was the base case, that they would come to some kind of resolution before the deadline here in early June. So again, we try to avoid the political, stick to the actionable and what we can do from a financial planning, retirement planning standpoint. But so we'll wait to kind of hear how the details shake out. But markets, we're slightly higher on some of that optimism of a deal last week, largely driven by tech. Economic data was also a little bit better than expected last week. I know everyone's kind of waiting for the economy to slow. The Fed came out last week, and you mentioned that their consensus view is that we'll see a mild recession in Q4, right? So there is this lag, right? It's going to take some time for the higher borrowing costs, the interest rates being higher. It's just that there's some lag. It takes some time for that to play out in the economy. So we'll see. Obviously, we enjoy looking at these data points on a daily, a weekly basis. So we will keep you updated. This Friday we get the May jobs report, which that'll be interesting to see if there's any slowing there. So with that being said, thanks Roscoe for jumping in. We hope everyone has a great week. And did I forget anything?
No, I think you're good.
Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.